Welcome to Food Formulas. Let's make banoffee pie. Take a bowl. Add biscuits powder. You can use any biscuits. Add 2 tablespoons dry fruits powder. Add 1 tablespoon butter. Mix them well. Now take another bowl. Place biscuits in the bowl. Press the biscuits so they set at the bottom. Now add 1 layer of bananas. Take a bowl. Add 1 packet of cream. Add 2 tablespoons of castor sugar. Mix them well. Now add the layer of creams. Try to cover bananas with cream. Now Sprinkles Biscuits Powder on the sides. Now sprinkles some coffee powder. Our yummy dessert is ready. Refrigerate it for 3 hours. After 3 hours, let's try our dessert. I hope you like the recipe.